My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I'm doing this quote list today. It's kind of nice to do that. I want to talk to you about the CP504 notice. This isn't an infomercial about me. Oh, you have to call me. There's a lot of people you can call. I just happen to know what I'm doing. I worked for IRS for 10 years. I am a national expert in tax resolution. I've been on many major news stations. Go to my website and you can learn about me. I've been on News Nation, Newsmax, ABC, The Briefing Room, The Washington Bureau, and a whole bunch of others. Anyway, I want to talk today about the CP504. That's what you need to know. That letter is meant to shake you up. That's why IRS sends it, to shake you up a little more. They send it out certified, so you have to sign or pick it up at the post office. And that letter is meant for you to say, hey, you better take this debt serious because IRS is coming after you. I used to levy myself when I was at RIS with my name. I take your bank account, your wages, file federal tax liens, and that's what IRS is going to do. You must go ahead and address this letter and get this taken care of, because the next letter IRS sends, it's a collection due process. If you do nothing, you may lose your passport. IRS will file a lien. They may take your bank account and your wages. IRS wants to get this case off their collection inventory is what they're trying to do. You need someone to turn off the computer switch and say, this taxpayer is okay. How do you do that? They want a resolution to your case. What's the resolution look like? It's either going to be with a financial statement. They're going to either put you into currently non-collectible, a payment agreement, or an offer and compromise. Really, one of the three is going to happen. But if you call them, here's the big, oh my God, I didn't know that. IRS isn't going to allow your expenses. They're going to only allow the expenses they put in for food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments, and car expenses. That's right. IRS is only going to allow their expenses. So I want you to understand, be very careful. When you get this letter, you have to act. You really do. Like I said, you'll close this case once you give IRS your financial statement by, like I said, hardship, payment agreement, or offer and compromise. But please know what you're doing. If you wind up calling them yourself, don't be surprised if you have a huge payment agreement to them, because IRS is putting their expenses in yours. If you don't have a lot of income and you don't have a lot of assets, call them. There's nothing wrong with doing that. But if you over $50,000, $60,000 and make a more sizable income, you better be really careful, because IRS is going to squeeze the money out of you through this national standard program. Anyway, I'm always here. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. Thank you for listening. Give me a subscription. If you leave comments, you want me to do a video, I'm usually try to find out what people want and then put that up. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate your ear today.